This Nissan looks fine from a distance. Clean, nothing wrong with it. But get closer, stand at the right angle, let the sun hit these panels just right, and a different story starts to show up. Swirl marks, fine scratches, dull patches that catch the light wrong. This is what almost every car looks like after a few years of washes, wipes, and quick details that never actually corrected the paint. Today, we're not just polishing this Nissan, we're playing detective first. Before any pad touches this paint, we're going to figure out exactly what's wrong with it, why it looks the way it does, and what it's actually going to take to fix it. Because polishing without diagnosing is how people make their paint worse, not better. Stick around because by the end of this video, this Nissan is going to look like a completely different car. Look at this bonnet. Swirl marks everywhere. Every angle you look at it catches the light differently. This paint is dull, tired, worn down from years of the wrong technique. And right here, these aren't just swirls. These are deep scratches sitting well below the surface. This is the kind of damage that needs real correction, not just a quick wipe over. So we leveled the surface with a 2.5 grit compound first, cut it back enough to even everything out. Then soon we will polish and see exactly where that leaves us. Start by applying a small amount of polish directly onto the surface. Spread it evenly across the area before increasing your speed. This helps the polish work more effectively and prevents unnecessary splatter while giving you consistent coverage. Polishing isn't about hiding damage, it's about removing it. Every pass of the polishing pad cuts away microscopic imperfections, removing just a tiny fraction of clear coat until the surface becomes smooth, glossy, and looks almost brand new. That's the real magic of paint correction. Brothers, one thing I want you to keep in your mind is, the polishing machine is stronger than your arms. And if you try to fight it, it's going to win every single time. A lot of people grip this thing like they're wrestling it into place, pushing down, forcing it across the panel. And that's exactly how you end up with burnt paint or uneven correction. Jake's not fighting this machine, he's guiding it, and that's the difference you're about to see. He's applied the compound directly onto the panel, just a few dots spread across the section he's working on, and he's starting at a low speed to work it in before bringing the speed up. Watch his hands, he's barely applying pressure, he's letting the weight of the machine and the speed of the pad do the actual cutting. That's the whole secret here. This tool is designed to correct paint on its own. Your job is just to steer it, not power it. Now look at this pressure, or really the lack of it. Jake's guiding the machine in slow, overlapping passes, section by section, moving in a crosshatch pattern, side to side, then up and down over the same area. If he leaned into this, like people think they're supposed to, he'd generate heat fast. And that heat is what burns through clear coat, especially along these edges and body lines where the paint is already thinner than the rest of the panel. You can see the compound starting to turn clear as it breaks down, that milky white residue turning glass-like. And that's the machine telling you it's done its job in that spot. Jake's working in small sections, about the size of a placemat, because compound that dries out before it's finished cutting just turns into dry abrasive being dragged across your paint. And that creates more damage than it fixes. Jake's not pushing harder, he's giving it more time. Same light pressure, more passes. That's what separates someone who understands correction from someone who thinks more force equals more results. This machine was built to do the work, you just have to trust it and stay controlled. Once this section's done, Jake wipes it down with a clean microfiber to check where we're at. The swirls are already fading, the scratch is softening, the surface is starting to reflect light evenly instead of scattering it in every direction. This is the machine proving the point, control beats force every single time. He'll move through the rest of the bonnet the exact same way, panel by panel, same light touch, same patience. Because the moment you start fighting this machine is the moment your paint starts losing the fight. Jake's going back in for a second round now. Fresh compound, a few dots straight onto the panel. Same section he just worked. He brings the machine down low speed first, spreading it evenly before picking up the pace. Same light touch as before, no extra pressure, just letting the pad do what it's built to do. Working it into the same crosshatch pattern, side to side, then up and down. Jake's guiding the pad across the panel now, slow and steady, keeping it flat against the surface. The machine's running at a controlled speed, gliding smooth, no wobble, no tilt, full contact with the paint the entire time. He moves it left to right first, one steady line after another, covering the section inch by inch. Nothing skipped. The pad rotates evenly beneath his hands, working the compound deeper into the surface with every pass. Jake shifts direction now, moving top to bottom, layering that motion over the same area, letting the pad blend its work in every direction instead of just one. His grip stays loose, relaxed, just enough control to keep the pad tracking straight without forcing it anywhere. He follows the natural curve of the bonnet here, adjusting his angle slightly to keep the pad fully flat against the contour, never letting the edge dig in or lift off. The machine keeps humming at that same steady rhythm, pad spinning consistent, no surges, no stalling, just smooth, continuous contact. Jake slows down slightly over this section, letting the pad sit a touch longer without adding any extra weight behind it. Just more time, same touch. Then he's back to that steady rhythm, gliding the pad in slow overlapping circles now, covering ground he's already passed to make sure nothing's missed. His whole body stays relaxed through this, shoulders loose, arms guiding rather than pushing, letting the tool do what it's built to do. The pad keeps moving, methodical, unhurried, covering every last section of the panel with that same even pressure from start to finish. He works his way toward the edge of the bonnet now, easing up slightly as the pad nears the body line, keeping full contact without letting it catch or drag. Then back into the main section, one more full pass across the whole area, top to bottom, side to side, before he finally eases off the trigger and lifts the pad clean off the surface. Jake keeps the pad moving, steady and controlled, working back across the panel one more time. He shifts into slow, diagonal passes now, cutting across the crosshatch pattern he's already laid down, making sure every angle of this section gets even coverage. The machine holds that same consistent speed, no surging, no dropping off, just smooth rotation under his hands. He brings the pad back toward the center of the panel, overlapping each pass slightly so there's no gap left untouched. His arms stay loose, just guiding the direction, letting the weight and speed of the machine do the actual work. The pad glides evenly across the surface, catching the light differently with every pass as it works the compound further into the clear coat.